Did you know Somalia once had its own national airline? Somali Airlines was founded in 1964, just 4 years after independence. It connected cities like Mogadishu, Hargeisa, and Kismayu, and even flew to Rome, Frankfurt, and Jeddah. The airline's white and blue planes carried the Somali flag proudly around the world. But in 1991, when civil war broke out, Somali Airlines stopped flying. For over 30 years, it has remained grounded. Today, there is hope of revival, but the legacy lives in the hearts of many Somalis who still remember boarding its flights back in the day. Somali Airlines was more than just a plane, it was a symbol of national pride.